Here I've got Nokia 7 Plus, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer and then click on More icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and go to the settings. From the following list select blocked numbers, and now simply by tapping on Add a number you can enter the number that you would like to block, and once you click on block and save it, you will no longer receive any calls or messages from this particular number. Then if you would like to delete this number from this list, simply click on the cross icon, which is here, confirm it by tapping on unblock, and as you can see, this number has been unblocked, has been removed from your list, and now will be able to reach you. So that is all. This is how you can block a number and also remove it from your blacklist. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.